Don't arrive early. Forget about working extra. I'd rather be homeless. Obsess about every second you aren't on the clock, that you aren't being paid for. There's no reward, so why try? This is the disgusting talk from all the maintainers and failures that surround you. It's time to take a stand. Which side are you on? Leaders of the future. This video will conclude our second topic in our main series, approaching your leaders and creating alliances with high-value individuals. In the last video, we talked about taking the initiative and approaching your leaders directly. Ask them what it takes to get ahead. Get the answers to the test. The funny thing about people who write such trash, as shown in the opening of this video, is that they are almost entirely written by older men. These are the disgruntled maintainers and failures that squandered their lives and have nothing to show for it. Only in their minds were they the high-value contributors. Disgusting. Would winners making six figures a year talk like this? Would millionaires talk like this? No. Only a fool who fails. I, on the other hand, hope to get to you far before you get to that point. Even if I don't, and you are a late bloomer, there is always hope. This channel is about putting in the hard work early and working tirelessly so you can truly take care of your future self and your family. Not about scrambling at the end of life with nothing to show. Take a moment and let me know in the comments if you've come across people or comments like that. Have you said such things before? Be honest. Most employees and players draw up their own map and follow their own paths, becoming heroes in their mind only. You, on the other hand, you must set aside time with your leaders. Ask them exactly what it takes to get ahead. Ask them for their honest feedback on your performance, even if it hurts. Do not interrupt. Do not disagree. The things you disagree with are the things that need to be tackled the most. Before we continue, please take a moment to like and subscribe to this channel. There are many people that need to hear these messages. Your support will go a long way in those efforts. Thank you. Do not be confused. This is not the same as a yearly or semi-yearly review your leaders are required to do. This is something that gives you a chance to stick out and show initiative. Follow up monthly or quarterly to check in on your progress. Always ask for actionable items you can do right away. Identify other high-value individuals or ask your leaders to connect you to some. Establish relationships and even mentorships if possible. Work together for the same goals. Celebrate each other's successes. Even if successes come to others before you. Ignore the laughs, the jokes, the comments behind your back that the maintainers and failures will surely make. They will not pay your bills. They will not put food on your table. They would love nothing more than for you to stay as broke and miserable as they are. They cannot stand feeling alone in their failure. You are a lion, Be a lion. With the continuation of the First Step series, we will begin the final topic, creating cheerleaders. For now, take some time to consider all you've learned so far and review regularly.